Today we're starting our water storage tank construction, so stay tuned. Hi, glad that you're here. If you haven't been here before, my name is Andreas and me and my family is on a journey to a more sustainable way of life. It's a long journey, but you are invited to join us. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything. In this episode, we start our water storage tank construction. Most of you guys that saw the last episode guessed that it's a swimming pool I'm digging for, and you're right. My wife and kids call it a swimming pool and I call it a water storage tank for SHTF. I think it's a good way of combining these two. To have water that you can filter is important. You can't make it too long without water, and to be able to swim in it is great. There will also be a roof over the swimming pool, so there will not be any contaminants in the pool other than when you are using it. Some of you guys guessed on a pond, and the funny thing is that way back I had a pond with fishes just in this place. In this first episode, I'm going to let the video speak for itself. This is it for this episode. If you got any questions or comments, please leave it below. Have an amazing weekend, and I will see you in the next episode.
If you haven't subscribed already, do so by clicking down there on the Swedish flag, and then you can also click on the little bell icon up there, and then you'll get notified when I put up new videos. And if you want to watch another video, I got one over there for you.